Good morning, guys. We are in South Carolina. I think the town is called Fort Mill. We just crossed in yesterday. Pretty exciting, I guess. Not really though, because it's traffic everywhere, of course. It's the Carolinas, that's how it is. But we're still making our way to Georgia. That's the next state. We got 180 miles, man. So hoping I can do this. I hope I can get through South Carolina in less than a week. That's the goal, because I don't like cycling through South Carolina. 2024, when I cycled through the state, it was fucking shitty. And that's pretty much that. So let's hope we survive. My first hike a bike today. It's a gravel road. I'm actually not a fan of these roads. Like, I don't mind climbing like gravel hills. It's just going down them. Like, one wrong mistake and your ass is toast. I don't even know where the fuck I am. First fill up. Second fill up. Holy shit. This is the first black bear I've seen on the road. Holy shit, dude. We're now on swamp ass bike path, whatever the fuck it was. Finally made it to the hotel after a long fucking day.